If your Telegram bot isn't responding, you're not alone, and you're definitely not stuck. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through some proven solutions to get your bot back up and running. Whether you're a regular user or the developer behind the bot, by the end of this video you'll know exactly what to check, what to fix, and how to avoid this problem in the future. Let's jump right in with the quick fix checklist. First up, check your internet connection. It might sound obvious, but Telegram bots need a stable internet connection on both your device and whichever server is running the bot. If you're at home, make sure you're actually connected, not just to Wi-Fi, but to a network that's working. This step is just as important if you're using a computer at work or a bot hosted somewhere else. Sometimes it can help to quickly toggle your Wi-Fi off and on, or switch between mobile data and Wi-Fi to see if that restores the connection. Next, never underestimate the power of a simple restart. Glitches happen, and sometimes shutting down the Telegram app or bot and turning it back on can work wonders. If you're using the Telegram desktop app, make sure you completely quit it, not just close the window. A lot of folks miss the tiny Telegram icon hiding in the system tray. Right-click it and choose Quit to ensure it fully shuts down. For Telegram Web, try a hard refresh, which is typically Ctrl plus F5 on Windows or Shift plus CMD plus R on Mac. Alternatively, opening Telegram in a private or incognito browser window can bypass old cookies or cached data that might be causing issues. If you're the developer managing a bot, there's an extra layer to check. Your bot's script needs to be actively running on its hosting server. Sometimes the script stops due to a crash or server reboot, so log into your server or platform and make sure the bot is still chugging along. If it's paused, a restart, or using the start command inside your Telegram chat can get things moving again. Still no luck, it could be out of anyone's hands for the moment. It's worth checking if Telegram's own servers are experiencing problems. Sites like Down Detector can tell you if other users are struggling too. If there's a widespread outage, all you can do is wait calmly for their team to restore service, but at least you'll know it's not just you. Moving into slightly more advanced troubleshooting, pay attention to VPNs, proxies, or company firewalls. These tools are great for privacy, but they can also interfere with Telegram's ability to connect, especially with bots that depend on constant communication with servers. Try disabling your VPN or proxy just while you're testing the bot. If it works after that, the connection was probably being blocked or tunneled incorrectly. Corrupted cache data can also throw a wrench in the works. For those on Telegram Web, head into your browser settings and clear out the cache and cookies for telegram.org. Just be sure to save any work in progress elsewhere, as you'll have to log in again after this step. On the desktop app, things get more technical. Sometimes you need to manually delete cache files from the application data folder. Don't worry about losing your chat history though. Telegram stores messages in the cloud, so this only affects temporary files. Finally, don't forget the power of a fresh install. Apps sometimes get buggy after updates or over time. Make sure you're running the latest official version of Telegram desktop, or that your browser is fully updated. If reinstalling sounds intimidating, just know you won't lose your message history. Everything's safe in Telegram's cloud, so it's a pretty risk-free way to squash lingering bugs. And that's it, you've now got a thorough checklist to fix a stubborn Telegram bot. If this video helped you out, please hit like to show your support and drop any questions or your own tips in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and help further. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more troubleshooting guides and Telegram tips. Thanks for watching, and good luck getting your bot back online.